surgery is only available if there's something anatomically or physically wrong with the ear. So if someone had a perforated eardrum that was causing tinnitus, tympanoplasty or replacing the eardrum would fix that. That's a very rare problem, and someone would be pretty aware if they had a perforated eardrum, it would be painful, they'd have drainage, so they'd be getting that fixed pretty quickly. There may be some conductive hearing losses where the bones in the middle ear aren't conducting the sound through. That's pretty rare as well, but we can have a surgical procedure to replace the bones in the middle ear. But really, the surgical options are probably accounting for less than 20% of all tinnitus. So it's not very common, but we're gonna be looking for that in our testing. If we do see any of these conductive type problems, we're gonna refer to our ENT colleagues to get that taken care of with surgery if that's an option. But again, not very many people fall into that category.